Okay, so let's talk about the fourth video in this series. So last but not least, this is the fourth and final video, and it's going to be the offer. So it's time to make an irresistible offer that your prospects would like to take action immediately and become your buyer. So here's a pro tip. In addition to that, you'd want to build scarcity by creating a deadline. Now imagine this, you create a sense of urgency, making them want to act now. Otherwise, what's going to happen is they are going to wait next week or a few days, the price will go out, or they will never get access to it again. So you want to make sure that you let them know that there is a deadline, there is scarcity, and when the timer ends, and the doors close. And like I said, without that sense of urgency, people will tend to wait. Their lives will get busy, they'll totally forget about you. So again, let's go ahead and create an outline for this. Okay, so similar to video 2 and 3, you want to connect the previous video by giving a recap. Then what you want to do is, after the recap, which can be a couple minutes, give the offer. Make sure that it's a good deal. Then discuss the case studies and other testimonials, again, of people that have been happy, that took your offer previously, and they're doing quite well. Show how the product or service is worth 10 times more than what you're asking. So what you can say is, this is a product, this is what it's going to do for you, here's the list of the benefits, here's how it's going to benefit you, and here's the price. But you don't want to go straight into the price. You want to say something like, let's say the price is $1,000. You could say, well, this price is actually worth $10,000. But we're not going to charge you $10,000. We're not going to charge you, and then start decreasing 5 times down. So $10,000, could be worth it, but we're not going to charge that. We're not going to charge $9,000. We're not going to charge $7,000. We're not going to charge even $2,000 or $1,000. But today, and only today, during the special launch, you can get it for something like $497. And then give the offer link. And then once you're done with that, as people are clicking the link and all that, you're still going to get people that are not sure. They're not sure if it's going to be enough for them. So what you can do at that point is you discuss any extra bonuses or fast action bonuses for those who take action immediately, or as ASAP, or as soon as possible. So you could say, well, for those of you who immediately take action today, for the first 20, you'll get access to this. And make sure that you give a time limit. You can say, this is going to last till Sunday evening next week, or 4 days later. And once that is going to happen, then we're going to close it down. And make sure that you continuously give the offer link, and ask for the sale. A lot of people don't ask for the sale, and by not asking, you will not get. So just by asking for the sale, and not begging for the sale, but just giving it, handing it over, and allowing people the opportunity to get access to it in a helpful way, they are more likely to take action. So I hope you enjoyed that. And as you can see, it is an outline, so you will need to create your own script, but how you do that is going to be based upon your product and service.